There are a lot of blind turns in India, from the Aravallis to the Himalayas, at a lot of places. However, the leading cause of death on these blind turns is head-on collisions. Around 4 lakh people die every year on these blind turns just because drivers can't see what's coming next. In fact, in India itself, around 12,000 people die every year due to these blind turns.
That's what led to the innovation of the blind turn blinker, which is a 4-foot tall pole which has a red blinker attached on its top.
So our device is installed on the outer periphery of a blind turn and uses 2 radar sensors to detect vehicles approaching from both the sides. Now, as soon as it senses the movement, it calculates the distance using the radar data. As the vehicles move closer to each other, the frequency of the blinking increases. In case a fault occurs, it switches to a static red light and instantly sends an alert to us via its communication sensor. And the best part, it works day or night, fog or rain, basically any time in any condition.
Our blind turn blinker is available in 3 models. First is the battery powered and solar enabled, which works on solar energy. In fact, this could work up to 60 days due to its high capacity battery. The second is the cable based model, which works on a continuous power supply where many blind turns are situated together. And the third is the landslide sensor model, which includes a vibration and moisture sensor. So whenever a landslide occurs, it gets triggered and a static red light would be turned on. It would also send information to the previous and the next blinker to turn on the static red light. And we would also get information through the text message. Also, we've made this prototype and it is working. And we've also tested it through a pilot project in Nargad where we tested it. Also, this also has some future plans, like we plan on targeting institutions like NHAI, hill stations and smart city projects.
In this way, we created a product that is smarter, safer and affordable for the near future. Thank you.